Good morning, everybody. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hola. Class 6 o first semester?
First of peso.
First semester, all of you. Year 6 and first semester. Good. Well, this is... All right. These children are from Caragol School, year 6, 6A and 6B. All right? And we are here because it's a campaign, Get on Your Bikes. Have you heard about Get on Your Bikes? We want the children in our town to ride the bicycles. Okay? Is it possible with Porsche?
Yeah.
All right? So listen to them. They are very nervous. Huh? Are you okay? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. So I need my presenters. Come on, Tony Bonet and Laura will start. Huh? And I need pictures. Javier, come here, Tony. Come here. Don't be afraid. Luca, this is the campaign. What's the campaign? Get on your bike. All right. Are you ready? Shh. Okay, when you hear people talking, Tony or Laura, then you stop and you continue. All right. Super. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Hello, we are children from the Caragol School. We are in year 6. We want to talk about the pros and the cons of riding your bike in the village. We are working on a campaign called Get on Your Bike. Let's start. Why is it good to ride the bike in the village? Bikes do not consume fuel as do cars, boats, planes. This is one of the reasons why you should go by bike and not by car. Bikes don't use gas.
People don't need gas, and bikes don't need many repairs.
And gas is very expensive. Hello, I am Manuel. He is Thomas. If you ride your bike, your wheels, pedal, calm, and not pressed. However, if you go with a car, you are more nervous and insecure.
Can you hear them?
Yes.
When you ride a bike, you like Maria more stronger and you have a healthy body. It's good for your body and for your brain. Hello, we are talking about the traffic in Altà. There is traffic because the road activity is better. Every day there are more cars in the streets. If you take your bike, it's probably to stop it. Get on your bike. The price of a bike is cheaper than a car. The price of a car is more expensive than a bike. Hello. A car uses petrol and petrol polluts the atmosphere. A car needs petrol to run, and this system affects the environment. Safety is very important. Here are some safety rules.
And these are safety rules.
Hello, my name is Emily and this is Alba. When you are riding a bike, you must indicate where you're going. If you want to turn right, it's like this or like this. If you want to turn left, it's like this or like this. Hello, my name is Carla and this is Llorenç. Don't ride fast in the village. Don't ride fast in the village because there are so many cars and people work and you are to get home. Hello, my name is Tony and this is Projecte. When you are riding the bike, wear the helmet because it can save your life. Hello, my name is
Obrigado.